Good morning, Ellie. What are you doing? Are you just resting? You resting? Where are we going today? Are we going to Florida? You're coming. What we gotta do? We gotta pack your bag. We gotta get your food. We gotta make your bed. We gotta take your bed with us. What else? We gonna go on a road trip? Let's bring your ball. We'll bring your ball and we'll stop at rest stops. That'll be fun. Got a paw? Give me a paw. Give me a paw. Okay. Good girl. All right. We're gonna go to Disney World. We gotta finish work and we're gonna go. Okay? You ready? We gotta eat breakfast and then we're gonna go. Okay, we've arrived at Art of Animation and we're gonna do a room tour. See here? 8563. All right. It begins. So right when we walk in, we have this under the sea theme because we're in the Little Mermaid section, and we have seaweed and some starfish and coral and seabed, sea bottom, as well as the bubbles going up to the surface. The floor is kind of like an ocean floor. Pretty cool, right? I did a review of this room just a couple of months ago, maybe like earlier this year, like January, February. I don't know. I'll put a link in it down below. Hopefully I'll pick up some other things. So when we walk in, you're in the room. You are right there. So you have two beds. These are, I think, queen beds. And they are, I was feeling the mattress. They're pretty medium, like not too firm, not too soft. And then the pillows are nice and soft. This is a pet-friendly room, as you can see. Ellie's here. Hi, Ellie. Are you wagging? You're here. This is a pet-friendly room. And because this is a pet-friendly hotel, we've got our dude with us. Hey, dude. What are you doing, Elle? You gonna give everybody a tour? Oh, that sounds so exciting. What do you think? You want to give them a tour and show them your pet palms? You got some Spider-Mans on. Spider-Man pet palms? Boy. And anytime we come down here, the night that we get here, we end up booking a room here because it's pet friendly. And the next day we take her to Best Friends Pet Care, which is her home away from home, where she can go and have camp and meet new friends. Right, Elle? All right. So there's seating for two. Little coralish orange chairs. We have some sheet music here for Under the Sea. If you can see, conductor is Horatio Felonius Ignatius Crustaceus Sebastian, which is Sebastian's full name. We also see the enhanced cleaning is still a thing here during this unpleasant time, where they're cleaning extra all over the place, lots of touch points, lots of enhanced cleaning. We also have this really cool mirror with all of the singing fishes there. And it's a really cool mirror. It looks like it's a light, except I don't see a switch. Let's see if we can turn it on. No, it is a light. How do I turn it on? Don't know. Is this the light to turn it on? Hey, we got it. It's across the room. So that's the room. That's the light. Nice and lit up. Next we have the dresser, which we have a Cuisinart coffee maker and some Joffrey's coffee. Got decaf and we have two regular. These are the important ones. Give us some sugars, sweet and low, and some cups that we can just take it with us to go. And then also a lid. Isn't that nice? They also give us creamer. There are plenty of USBs here. 4 right on this one. And then there's also a remote, which is wrapped in plastic, a part of the enhanced cleaning. This is our magic guide. And then there's 2 plugs on each section. Huge TV. Huge, beautiful Samsung TV. I love it. You also have a ice maker with a couple cups. There are plenty of deep drawers. And this seat sleeps 4. I mean, you're gonna have to split, but these are not actually drawers. This is the entrance to the mini fridge. So that's our mini fridge there. Let's see what else we have here. In the middle, there is a little nightstand, crooked, phone, Holy Bible, and then there's some storage down here if you want to put some shirts or socks or whatever. I also want to point out, Ellie, you can go under the bed here. Now Ellie sleeps underneath our bed at home, so you could sleep under our bed, or you can get your own bed. You want your own bed? This is your bed. You want this to be your bed? That's your bed. Yeah. Really cool artwork. You have Ariel's fin here, kind of going behind the bed. You have some seahorses, and then Flounder and Sebastian there. Really cool. This is a little coat rack. I put Ellie's leash there. I did that in the last video. And then before COVID, do you want to eat your dinner? Let me take your lid off. Before COVID, we stayed at Port Orleans, which I believe is opening in October. And they gave us a bag. The bag is at home. It's kind of falling apart. They gave us a bag with the 2 dishes and then a placemat for Ellie, because that is also a pet-friendly room. So I put it here. This is her spot. Go ahead and eat your dinner. Actually, it's your breakfast. And then there's also a room divider from the bathroom in case someone wants privacy. And very colorful. Lots of characters there. You have Flounder and all his friends, and is that Julius? I don't remember his name. The turtle. And then you have Max and the Prince Eric. I think it's Prince Eric. I don't know. It's been a long time since I've seen this movie, but we absolutely love this resort. Moving into the bathroom area, we've got our safe. Can probably fit something vertically. And you got directions here. You have an ironing board, extra pillow and blanket, extra towels, iron, luggage rack, nice hangers, me, and beautiful mirror, and then your sink, tissue paper. You have some more smaller hand towels, face washcloth, face soap, mirror for you want to do your makeup, some plugs, and then the floor is kind of like a bedrock style. Like you're coming from the ocean, you're coming into like a reef maybe. Very royal, almost like a castle. You have your more towels here, toilet, and then the star of the show is Ariel, and then she's got all of her thingamabobs. You see? Dingle hoppers and all of that. Kids will absolutely love this room. Dogs too. And then in here you have more treasures. All of the things she finds from the people above up there. And then of course you have your H2O. You have your shampoo, which smells amazing. Conditioner, and then the sea salt body wash. Awesome. And then this thing here pulls out, goes across to there, and you can hang towels and bathing suits, things like that. They have a soap dish there, and bath mat, and yeah, extra toilet paper, garbage. Really, really awesome. Let me come back here and show you a full room, full view of the room. You see? It's a nice size. If you're going to be in the parks all day and need a place to put your feet, it's awesome. We're also going to go outside and check out the pools, because last time we were here, the huge family pool was closed under renovations. Was that the big blue pool where you can hear the music underneath the water? I'm going to have to check that out before I leave here too. So It's a nice room. It's beautiful. And like I said, pet friendly. What do you think, Ellie? Are you going to claim this bed? Are you going to claim this bed? Oh, what's that? Come over, jump over here. What do you think? Do you want to go for a walk? You see her Spider-Man pet palms from her best friend Max got it for her? Spider-Man, you're like a Spidey. You have your Spidey senses. That's your nose, right? Did you have fun driving down here? I know you were very tired, but now we're gonna go for a walk, okay? You wanna go for a walk? Or you wanna eat your dinner? Which one do you wanna do? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. I always like giving good room tours. Short, sweet, and to the point. Oh yeah, and there's also an accent wall. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, you can tell on camera. Accent wall. Darker blues there. Really, really nice room. I'm going to be here 2 days. And then I'm going to transfer to Saratoga Springs. So we'll do another room tour over there. And we'll see you then. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below if you stayed here. Or if you want to stay here. And if you want to stay here with your dude. What do you think? Should there be other dudes here? Is this dude approved? Of course it is. I know, it's past your to bedtime, but we're gonna go walking. You ready? Let's go. Say bye, dudes. Thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you all in the next video. Bye, dudes. Say bye, dudes.